Making a marble cake is a fun and simple way to create a delicious treat that combines vanilla and chocolate flavors in a beautiful swirled pattern. Here's a basic recipe for making a marble cake from scratch. Ingredients for the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ tsp baking powder, 1/2 tsp salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened 1 cup granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 tsp vanilla extract, 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup hot water for the cocoa mixture. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round or square cake pan, or line it with parchment paper. 2. Make the base cake batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar using a hand mixer or stand mixer on medium speed until light and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry flour mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Mix until just combined. 3. Make the chocolate batter. In a small bowl, mix the cocoa powder with the hot water until smooth and dissolved. Add a few tablespoons of the prepared vanilla batter to the cocoa mixture and stir to combine. This will make it easier to incorporate the chocolate into the vanilla batter. 4. Marble the cake. Spoon about half of the vanilla batter into the prepared pan. Then spoon a few dollops of the chocolate batter over the top. Using a knife or a skewer, gently swirl the two batters together to create a marbled effect. You can swirl it as much or as little as you like for different effects. Add the remaining vanilla and chocolate batters to the pan, and swirl again. 5. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. 6. Cool and serve. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, you can optionally frost it with a simple buttercream or dust with powdered sugar for a more elegant touch.